Hello, my name is Sojourner Hunt, and I'm a Mellon Undergraduate Curatorial Fellow in the American Art Department. Right now, I am standing in an exhibition that I curated entitled Form and Flow, the Figural work of Abraham Walkowitz, which compares his drawings of modern dancer Isadora Duncan to the painting that I'll be talking about today, entitled Rock and Bathers, which Walkowitz completed in 1917, oil on canvas. Though born in Russia in 1878, Walkowitz immigrated to New York as a young boy and identifies with American modernist artists. This painting comes at the height of Walkowitz's career, and it combines his early artistic interest in human anatomy with his later expressionist style. Nude figures on rocks became a recurring subject in Walkowitz's work, beginning in 1908 and continuing for around 30 years. My reading of this painting starts with its serene landscape. Cliffs along calm water with grassy hills and blue sky in the background. Walkowitz uses strong contour and blocks of color to create the figures in the scene, though he leaves them expressionless and ambiguously gendered. The figures' bodies are rigid like the rocks they are sitting on. They are frozen in structured, awkward poses. One figure lies face down on the rock with their arms tucked beneath their body. Two are positioned on their side, in a loose fetal position with their arms shielding their bodies. Two of the figures in the foreground have their backs facing the viewer, heads turned down, rejecting an audience. In fact, all of these figures appear to be in isolation, avoiding not only an audience, but also each other. Notice how the figure on the rock, leaning back against their arms, has their head tucked down, concentrating inward rather than focusing out over the landscape or the surrounding people. I'm struck by how Walkowitz communicates solitude through people whose faces are expressionless, forcing the viewer to focus on the body positions of these figures.